All right, friends, now it's your turn. We're going to look at the words on the left-hand side of the screen, and we are going to decide what vowel sound do we hear in this word. So this is the word go. I hear g, o. O is the long O sound, so I'm going to find long O, click it, click the box it goes with. All right, this next word is cute, cute. I hear U, the long U. So I'm going to click long U, click the box. All right, now this is the word box, b-ox. I hear ah. That's the short O sound. So then I click short O and click the box. So complete this with the rest of the words on the left-hand side of the screen and match it with the vowel sound you hear in that word. When you are all done, click the blue button in the corner to turn it in to your teacher.